Hello kids and welcome back. We are going to look another control today and this is if then statement. So what is if then statement? If then statement is if something happens then do something. I'm going to take something from here. If touching mouse pointer. So if my sprite, my character is touching my mouse pointer, do something. Let's say I am going to duplicate it, put it here. Okay. So if it is touching my mouse pointer, it will move 10 steps. But this will not work like that. It has to have a control, okay, that is forever. Okay. So another control we are going to use is forever. When my game is interactive, means I have to do something, touching it or showing something, then it has to have a forever. Otherwise, when I'm going to click on play, it is going to stop before I even do something. So it has to have a thing that is called forever. That is another control. And with that, I am going to use the event when green flag clicked. So when my green flag it clicked, my game has started, but nothing is happening because I have to do something. I have to touch my sprite with my mouse, so it is moving. Okay, and if I'm going to change this one to 10, it is going to move forward. And when I'm going to stop the game, now it is not going to do anything. So this is how forever and even if then events and controls work together. We have to get this event when green flag clicked, forever and if then statement to do something in our game. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.